Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another DIY. I'm gonna do macrame keyring in the theme of Independence Day. So for this project you need keyring, tape, scissor and yarn. I'm using green yarn as I am doing it for the Independence Day. And for the first step you need to tape down the keyring so that it sticks to the place. Now cut the yarn into strings. I cut 9 strings and I'm gonna divide them into 3 strings each. Now I'm gonna take 3 strings and tie the knot into the keyring. Now take next 3 strings and tie the knot.
As you can see, it's the second one, and there is the.
Now take the third 3 strings and tie the knot.
That is it.
Now total it makes 18 strings now. So take 3 corner strings and separate them for the use of later. Now take next 3 strings and tie the knot under the rest of the strings. And one more knot above the rest of the strings. And tighten it up so that it makes a very nice pattern. Now take corner 6 strings and divide them into 3 each and tie the knot. Now take the 3 string and tie the knot with the next 3 strings like so, and keep doing it with the next 3 strings. And you have to do the same on the other side as well. Now as I have done, it's ready. I'm gonna cut it out into a triangular shape on the bottom. If you want to leave it like that, you can, but I want to brush it out so that it will give me a more fluffier look. And here is the final product. I hope you like it. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope you like my DIY. It's very simple and easy. I want you to try it and let me know in the comments down below. See you. Bye bye.